In this video, let me show you how you can open Landbank account. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Metrobank. Next, download the Metrobank app and wait for it to finish. Once finished, open the app and wait for it to load. Once open, scroll down to the end, accept, and the terms and conditions. And here, click the Open an Account button below the Login button. After that, there's a simple reminder of the app. Once you're finished reading it, just click Continue. Next, click the I would like to open a land bank account. Now choose your product selection on this section right here. Now check the requirements as well as fees and charges. Click the process button at the top right. Next, click the proceed and follow the prompts, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.